let's see here to practice. So we'll make a right turn at the lights here.
Yeah. Lane I totally meant to not go in.
It's hard to find.
I knew it was there too. I don't know. It's here.
Covered in snow. So we're on a mission. We're gonna go find a car to parallel park with. I'll keep my eyes open. Okay. Now we'll make a right turn at the end of the road here. Hopefully we can find one. Oh, okay, let's go with that one. See how you do, and then we'll do another one afterwards.
Signal right now?
Yeah. If there's someone sitting in the vehicle, we'll just keep driving on.
This way?
Yeah, this is good. So you're about an arm's length or so. That's awesome. So you're getting that brake light in the small window. That's great. Yeah. Yeah, that's best. Just let them pass first. Right here. So you got your 45-degree angle. That's perfect.
And you can also see the like, is it a triangle in the mirror, did you say?
Oh yeah, the little
Yeah.
slice of pizza
Yeah.
here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep, that's right.
Did I do it a bit more?
Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Right here.
And then this way?
All the way this time, yep.
Okay.
Of course, they wouldn't ask you to parallel park with this car because we're blocking the driveway, but that's okay for us.
Yeah.
Awesome. That's good. You remember the steps.
Yeah, like I know the steps. I feel like I don't know where like to stop, you know. That's my
So you got it. Yeah, you got this.
Okay.
Right on. Okay, let's take off. And you're doing it safely too, like your observation, you're looking around and everything. One suggestion is as soon as you stop right here beside the car, before anything else, put it in reverse right
Reverse,
away
yeah.
so that the
That's
lights
good,
come on.
yeah.